Hello, my name is Shanna, and I am a program coordinator of nutrition at the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today's Food Navigator video is a healthy recipe from Michigan Harvest of the Month called corn succotash. A half cup of corn is a good source of thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 helps your body use energy and is essential for nerve cells to function properly. Other sources of thiamine are fortified breakfast cereals, pasta, rice, whole grain products, and beans such as black, lima, navy, pinto, and soy. Add fresh, frozen, or canned corn to your favorite recipes like salads, casseroles, or soups. Let's see how we make corn succotash. To make corn succotash, you will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, either 2 cups of frozen lima beans thawed, or 2 cups of canned lima beans drained, either 2 cups of fresh corn, 2 cups of canned corn drained, or 2 cups of frozen corn thawed, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 can of diced tomatoes with jalapenos or green chilies drained, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can begin by taking a knife and cut your onion in half. Then cut the ends of the onion to remove the skin and dice the onion. Separate the garlic cloves. I used a can of corn to help. Take a large knife and cut off the ends of the garlic cloves to remove the skin. Smash the garlic cloves with the side of the knife and mince. Take a can opener and open the can of corn. Remember, you can also use fresh corn or frozen corn that is thawed. If you are using canned corn, be sure to strain and rinse the corn. Take a can opener and open the can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Strain and rinse the canned tomatoes. Open the canned lima beans. The can I purchased had a pull top. Otherwise, you can use a can opener. Remember, you can also use frozen lima beans that are thawed. If you are using canned lima beans, be sure to strain and rinse the lima beans. When you are finished preparing the ingredients, turn your stove on medium heat and pour in 1 tablespoon of oil into your pan. Once the oil is hot, saute the onions for 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and continue to saute. After sauteing the onions and garlic, add 2 cups of lima beans and cook for 5 minutes. Add 2 cups of fresh, canned, or frozen corn and cook for 10 minutes. Once the lima beans are tender and the corn is fried, add tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Finally, add seasoning of 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and finish cooking. When you are finished preparing your corn succotash, serve up and enjoy. Be sure to check out the Flint Farmers Market to find fresh and locally sourced ingredients for this recipe and more.